ask you, just so everybody's understanding as well. Can you give us a few examples of the planets that are looked at for money specifically? Umaji, as you said, Venus is about luxury, and therefore it'll show you your spending as well as your saving and everything. Moon, as you just mentioned, is the mindset. Are these the only two planets that are
no? There are the 9 planets.
Right.
There are the 9 planets, and all the 9 planets tells about something. So before jumping on the 12 planets, we need to understand what is my rising sign. Based on my rising sign means ascendant or lagna in Hindi. So all the 12 sign people will see money with their own perspective. Like the very first sign, Aries. Aries are the initiators, and Aries are the people who will just, if they are going for doing some investment, they will just listen or read some few points. They will not go in every detail. So what they will do, they will do investments in their haste, and at some time they feel like, oh, it is not good. If I would have chosen this one, it would have given me some more benefits. So in this way, they incur some loss or feels like regret. But at the same time, if one is a Sagittarius, Sagittarius is a lover of a knowledge. They will seek from where I can get the knowledge. They will accumulate knowledge, because for them, wealth is in the knowledge or books. You can ask any Sagittarius, they will have lots of books in their home. Okay, now what is the difference? Because Aries has done investment without reading. Sagittarius will also do that way only. But the difference will be because they are looking for the knowledge. So they will invest in the things from where they can get the knowledge, or they will have a desire to do investment where many people will do in a group, like in a partnership business or in industry. They will not go for in a one unit. They will go in a bigger investments. Because Jupiter rules the Sagittarius sign, and in general, we always check Jupiter for wealth. So here, because Sagittarius and Jupiter, that is the nature to accumulate lot of wealth. So they will invest in that way. So this is the way, if we check all the 9 planets in the chart, which is the 1 or 2 planet which are more favorable, then we go according to that. So first in the course, we will check what is my rising sign. Based on that, we will go through which is the planet which is giving me earnings. If it is the Venus or Mercury, then we will go according to that. Like the Mercury planet indicates about business. If anyone is having a good Mercury, then they are not going to do the job. They will in some time come in the business, or they will start their career from the business only.
Correct.
You might have seen many CA or anyone who is doing the work in the bank or in a finance company. Ultimately, they comes in their own business, giving the consultations related to finance.